Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel KC Astrology, and today we are going to talk about a very special technique of the predictions, which is researched and developed by Mr. Shashidhar Iyer, who is very renowned astrologer. So I have been through his books and I have found out this is very interesting things when people come to us and talk about the facts that how there are some signs which are not giving proper results as the normal techniques. Means when they were studying, they are finding out that they are very interesting and they are on exact place. So why those signs are not working? So this is a particular technique which makes things comfortable with them and makes them understand what are the reasons behind that particular problem. So what are the reasons? There are some zero signs. Zero signs means there are some signs on every date of Hindi calendar. Every date of Hindi calendar has some sign which is zero or burnt sign. Burnt means that sign will not give that result which you are expecting from that. So this is the particular for every particular date there are two signs, and for the 14th date there are four signs, and for the new moon and full moon, means the Amavasya and Purnima, there are no sign of that is the full moon time and the new moon time, where there are no signs which will not work. But for the other 14 days, you have to keep in your mind that the two signs will not work for you. So whenever you will predict anything, whenever you will see your chart, you will have to focus on that particular two signs which are not gonna work for you. First thing, so we will go towards that chart, that what are those signs which are not working for the particular dates. But before that, we will talk in those signs in your chart. In those signs in your chart, if you have the Rahu and Ketu, which are sin sign, which are representation of sin in your sign, in your chart, in the Kalpurush Kundali or the birth chart, these signs will work. And the trick bhav lords or the trick house lords will work. What are the houses? You must be aware about. These are the house 6, 8 and 12. Means in the 6th, 8th and 12th house, what will be the lord of these house in a particular chart? If those are sitting in those signs which are burnt or zero for your chart, they will give you the excellent and exaggerating results which you are not expecting, which can be called as Raj Yoga. Now we will go towards that. Now we have the chart. You can note this chart properly for you, that what are the signs which will not work on the particular date of Hindi calendar. So whenever you are talking about the English calendar, you will have to keep your in mind, you should have the Panchang or the Hindi calendar with you, and you must be aware on which particular date you are born as per the Hindi Samvat calendar, right? So let's come to that. When you are talking about the Prathama, means if you are born on the first date of Hindi calendar in any year, your two signs will not work. One is the Capricorn and other one is Libra. These two signs, but wherever it is sitting, those particular two houses will not get the proper result of these signs. Second, Dvitya or the second date, your Sagittarius and Pisces will not work. For third one and the third date, your Leo and Capricorn will not work. So you can go through the chart, every date till 13th, two signs are there which will not work for the birth chart as they were supposed to or as you are expecting them to work for you. And on the 14th date, there are four signs which will not gonna work for you. So it's a complicated date and it will not be very happy, because you will find out that your four houses are gonna sunset like kind of situations. You will not get the proper result for that. So there are the Pisces, the Gemini and the Virgo and the Sagittarius with you, which will not work for you. But yes, definitely you have the four houses where your three bhav lords or three house lord can be sit, or Rahu Ketu can be sit, which can makes you very happy. So everything has its pros and cons. Now I have an example. I know a person who is born on 26 February 1969, and there is the chart of that guy who is born on this particular date, and when I have researched that this is the Dashmi or the 10th date of Hindi calendar. So this is the chart of the person. If you will see that on the 10th date, I can see on the 10th date there are two signs which are not working, which is Leo and Scorpio. Now I have to find out where the Leo and Scorpio is established in his chart. Leo and Scorpio is established in the Lagna and in the 4th house. So means he not gonna get the proper results or the expected results from this particular house, because these signs are not working for him. Means if it is in Lagna, 5th is not working. So whenever people will come and when they will go through the things that Leo and the Leo personality should be like that, you will find out that this guy is not like that. This guy is not behaving like a Leo personality. What is the reason behind that? Because he's born on the 10th day. His Leo is burnt. His Leo is zero shine, and he is not gonna show the traits of a Leo, because that is shine which is burnt, which is not active, which is not showing the proper results. So you can doubt, what is this? What is the contradiction situation? This is the contradictory. So you have to know this contradiction as well if you are going through the chart. On the 4th, there is Mars sitting here. Mars is lord of this house. So you should be think about that he should have owned his own property. He must have his own property, but he is not having his own property but the ancestral one. Why he is not owning his own property when Mars is sitting in his own house? Why? Because in this house there is a shine which is Scorpio, and because this guy is born on the 10th date, this sign is not working. So these two houses are not showing the proper results because of these two burnt signs, and their lord will also not work for these two houses, correct? But if in these two houses we will find out Rahu or Ketu or the lord of 3 houses, then it can be very interesting. For example, what can we find out here? So there are the 6th house, 8th house and the 12th house. These are the 3 houses, right? In 3 houses I have number 10, number 12 and the number 4. For the number 10, which is the Capricorn, for the Capricorn we are aware that who is the lord of Capricorn? Saturn. Who is the lord of number 12? Pisces. That is Jupiter. And who is the lord of number 4 means Cancer? The moon. So if we can have moon, Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu or Ketu in this 2 house, that's gonna get a very fantastic results for the person. And these house lords will sit there, he gonna get the Raj Yoga. That will work excellent for him. That will get a very good benefit. But now, as you are aware, this person is having a problem just because his Lagna is not working, his house is not working. After that, he don't have any sun sign Rahu or Ketu in 1 and 4th house where the signs are 0 or where the signs are burnt, or he don't have any lord of 3 houses sitting here. So these are the examples. You can sit and you can stick to the chart and you can follow the instructions of the regular techniques which you are following, but you will have to know this as well, because this is very basic thing which can contradict your any statement and you will be in very trouble. How will I come to know about this thing? So you'll have to work upon that. You will have to understand these are some small things which don't go toward that, but these are very important and you will have to take care of about them. So we will meet next time with some other interesting techniques and important facts. Till then, bye bye.